I just finished restoring this wonderful antique Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. What makes this one different than most, I want you to look at the feathering. And I have pictures that were zoomed in closer. Most of your Karl Griesbaum birds are either red with black or yellow with black. When he first started making singing bird cages, the color scheme was slightly different. And this one actually has tiny hummingbird feathers, iridescent green on the back. So the bird has hues of purple, blue, red, green, sort of a cream brown. What's also different is if you notice the bird is sitting within a circular perch, which also matches the top. And typically the singing birds sit on a perch that's formed like a T. I've never seen one where the bird is sitting in a round perch like this, and I really like it. Because this is an antique bird cage, and because the feathers were amazingly intact, they were very dirty, and I spent a lot of time cleaning the feathers rather than refeathering the bird, because I wanted to maintain the originality of this wonderful bird. Let's hear it play. I go to pause. Pause feature works perfectly, which means the bellows are airtight. Move back to continuous. The bird sings with full voice, hitting all of the notes. Automation is also how it should be. Very strong singer. All right, we're at almost 3 minutes. In summary, whether you have a number of singing bird cages and are looking for a special one to add to your collection, or if you've been waiting for one that is different than most, this singing bird cage will hit the mark. Rare design, wonderful original bird feathers, very nice restored condition, and it sings flawlessly. Take care.